Every great story begins in darkness. The weight of doubt, the pain of failure, the moments when giving up feels easier than going on. But deep inside every human lies a spark, a quiet fire waiting to ignite. Think of the champions who fell 1,000 times before they stood on the podium. The dreamers who faced rejection, loss, and fear, yet chose to rise. Failure is not the end. It's the forge that shapes unbreakable spirits. You are not defined by your setbacks, but by your comebacks. Today, right now, you have a choice: to stay comfortable or to rise. Push harder, dream bigger. The world needs your fire. Your potential is limitless. Unlock it. Rise. The best is yet to come. Start now.